And Gertzel here. I'm seeing the same news about the Iran war and the war throughout the Middle East as everybody else. And, war is always really disturbing to me. I grew up in an anti-war family. I was always being pulled into these anti-Vietnam War marches around the U.S. when I was a little kid. Before that, my grandparents were involved in the nuclear disarmament movement, right? I mean, I think war is very infrequently the best solution to a human problem. It's way, way, way overused throughout human history, right? And I mean, on a lesser level, a bunch of our Singularity Net team has been trapped in Dubai due to the airport closures as a result of the military activity spreading across the Middle East. I think most of them got out yesterday, but I've also started thinking, since seeing all this war news, thinking about like how does this relate to the AGI race? And when you think about it a little bit, the relationship is more direct than you might, I think, first. And the importance of decentralized AI for preventing the spread of this kind of conflict actually could be quite significant. Because I mean, what's this war about really? Trump was saying back to the 1980s, we should go into Iran and take the oil, right? And I mean, of course, there's religion, ideology, general thirst for power, but the energy aspect is quite significant, and wars for energy have been going on a long time. But why do we need all this energy, right? Well, I mean, we need it for a lot of reasons. There's still more energy in the U.S. used for heating and air conditioning than for data centers, right? But the amount used for data centers is going up, 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 up. Now, smarter AI, like the Hyperon system that we're building in Singularity Net, I mean, this can be more energy efficient. If you're abstracting rather than just enumerating a lot of special cases like an LLM, you can use less energy to achieve the same or greater intelligence. But even with smarter AI that's more energy efficient, AI is going to be used for everything, right? AI is going to be automating the whole world economy. So there's no doubt in my mind, before long, the vast majority of energy usage on the planet is going to be for AI in one form or another, right? And so what does that mean? That means if AI is centralized in a few countries and a few big companies, there's going to be a big pull to get centralized energy into these same places to fuel the AI. So the AGI arms race is going to be an energy arms race, right? My friend Jose Cordero always liked to say the singularity will be an energularity, but unfortunately, this also has implications for the the struggle and battle aspect of things. So if we want to minimize the incidence of nasty energy wars, and I mean we certainly do, because the last thing we need during the transition from today's AI to human level AGI to superintelligence, the last thing we need is a bunch of wars going on, right? If we want to minimize the incidence of these wars, what do we need? We need AI to be decentralized. We need to be all over the place. Like if the AI's mind is in server farms living all over the world, and home computers, phones living all over the world. If the AGI mind is in a huge decentralized network, right? I mean, then the power to fuel this AI can also be in a decentralized network. I mean, now truly decentralized power, like from little solar powers and wind all over the place. I mean, this is advancing, but the exponent of advance is slower than the exponent of advance of AI. But even without radically decentralized power infrastructure, like just having the AI in a whole bunch of different cities and countries all over the place, it's massively decentralizing the energy infrastructure underlying the AI. And, if the energy infrastructure underlying the AI mind is decentralized, there's a lot less reason to fight nasty wars over energy as AI comes to dominate the global economy. So you come to the conclusion that decentralizing AGI, I mean, it's not only for the common good in the sense that it's the best way to give rise to beneficial AGI and beneficial superintelligence, which is the main point, but decentralized AGI is also for the common good in that it will decrease the odds of nasty energy wars occurring, in the interim period between here and the superintelligence. Just in case we needed more reasons to push for decentralized AGI.